Philippines. And that is not a problem for Chloe and Early because they are South American sea lions. They're not a seal, but how can we tell? First, they have this big and powerful front flippers. But how powerful are they? Check this out. Drum roll, please. So, Officer Ian, how's that first friend?
You know what, officer? Not bad.
Okay, what do you mean not bad?
Because early here can do better than that.
So we would love to see that, officer.
Here, we'll stand up here. Let's show these folks how strong you really are. Another drum roll, please. Now here's another feature that makes them very different from a seal. These are hind flippers that rotate, making moving on land so easy. Okay, Early and Chloe, show them their back flippers.
Okay, back flippers.
There we go.
But true seals, on the other hand, are very much different. They have small front flippers, and their back flippers don't rotate so land they move a little bit funny.
Now folks, do you want to see Chloe imitate a seal?
Okay, we'd like to see it. Okay, Chloe, show them a seal.
Hey officer.
Yes, officer.
That looks like a seal, alright?
And this is how seal walks. Well, see that? Great imitation of a seal, folks. How about a big hand for Chloe? Okay, bye boys. See you in a little while. Okay, now Chloe here would like to demonstrate a very important skill that every member of the Marine Patrol must have, and that will be the remarkable self-control. So here's what I'm going to do. So I will ask Chloe to lie down on the deck, just like that. You stay right there, Chloe. Okay, and now I will place 4 very juicy fish right in front of Chloe's face. So the rule is she can only eat this fish on the clap of my hands for only one at a time. So let's start. Okay, not yet, Chloe. There you go. Now start with the first fish. Okay, she eats and she stays. Great job, Chloe. Okay, now let's try the second fish. Hey! There you go. Now, folks, I want you to fool her. Everyone, come on, clap your hands. Louder! Okay, that she's not listening to you. Okay, Chloe, third fish. There you go. So one more fish to go and we are done. So last fish. Chloe. Oh no, where's the fish? Folks, tell me, did she eat the last fish? Yes, okay, so let's ask her. Chloe, tell me honestly, did you eat the last fish? No! And what do you mean no? A lot of people saw you. Show them what happens to a bad sea lion. I don't know. Well, of course, we're only kidding. We don't hurt our animals here at Ocean Adventure. In fact, I'm going to give her another chance. But this time, let's make it more difficult. Because instead, on the deck, I will place the fish right on top of her nose. Where she can see it, she can smell it, but she cannot eat it unless I clap my hands. So, folks, same rule applies. Everybody, I want you to clap your hands. Come on. Louder! Okay, guys, we won't eat it unless I clap. There you go, and that is self-control. Wait, Josh, Chloe. Now, for the Marine Patrol Prize contains great community relations. So today, we have invited a member of the community who would like to meet one of the lives of close and personal. So, Officer Ian, take it away.
Thank you so much, Officer Kim, and we're here to meet our new friend, and there she is. Hi ma'am, what's your name? Okay, Miss Rika. Let's start with a friendly pat on Sophie's back. Just something like this now. Just give her a good pat down her back. There you go. So ma'am, here's the question. Is Sophie nice? Why was she Sophie? Yes. So since you are Sophie's new best friend, she would like to give you a very special treat, and that is a big wet juicy fishy. Yes. Now before you do it, I will show you first how it's done. Oh, you have to listen closer, offer a shape like this, then she will give you a gentle kiss. Alright, come, it's your turn. Come on. Offer a shape. Hold it and look at the camera. One more time, one more time. There you go. Okay. Good job, Silly Sona. How was the kiss? Did you like it? Yeah. So let's put it this way. We're going to rate Sophie's kiss on the scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best kiss you ever had, but 10, wow, perfect score. Good job, Sophie. So I'm already saying that Sophie's kiss is even better than her special someone's kiss. Is it better? Yeah. Is there a special someone around? There. Where's your hand? Where's your special? There you go. Well, you know what? So here's the message for you and what's that Sophie? Okay, what does it mean, Sophie? I don't know. He thinks it's better. She thinks it's better. So, of course, we're just getting out of round of applause for our lucky guests who may now take your seat now and enjoy the rest of the show. Before you, Sophie, you may now go back to Officer Bob. Okay, guys, moving on. Now the stage shape the Marine Patrol lights to compete in an exciting contest of strength and agility, and that is the Sea Lion Key Challenge. So go outside again and looking for a volunteer from you guys who thinks that he is strong and brave enough to challenge our current champion,
Tignan mo, may pupunta.
Sophie. So anyone, taas ang kamay, mamimili tayo. I'm sorry, kids and ladies, but this time I'll be needing an adult male. Okay, park rights, can you help me out? I need an adult male. Okay, thank you so much. There you go. Okay, folks, we have a volunteer. How about a round of applause for this brave gentleman? Come on, folks, palakpakan natin. There you go. Oh, sir. What's your name? Sir Jeff. Are you ready to show how hard bodies you are, sir? Okay. Now, sir, do you have any idea what the volunteer for? Ganito na lang, sir. Why don't you come with me on stage and I'll explain it to you? Okay, let's see, Sir Jeff. By the way, sir, where are you from? Okay, all the way from Cavite. This time, let's start with a friendly handshake with Sophie. All you have to do is just move closer, grab her flipper, and shake it. Let's do it. There, here's Sophie jumps her down. Nicer. Okay. Down her. Now let's ask Sophie. Hey Sophie, are you ready? Yeah, well, officer, I think Sophie here needs some warm-up. Yes, officer. Okay. Warming up. Okay, how about a massage? Flipper massage, officer. Okay. There you go. I got the flipper, please. And of course, finish it with back massage. Nice. Okay, folks, let's ask Sophie again. Hey, Sophie, are you ready? Yeah. She's ready, folks, so Sir Jeff, that means you need to do some warm-up as well. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not like that. You have to do it. Sila style, hands on the seat. Come on, sir. And follow my hand, of course. Sir Gagan Tyson. Okay, sir, ready? Go. Good. Go. Spread your arms, sir. Of course, massage. And back massage. Now, sir, are you ready? Okay. Now, folks, Sophie is ready. Sir Jeff is ready. Let the games begin. Round one. Now, Sir Jeff, we're starting out easy on you for this round. All you got to do is very easy, sir. Yes. And of course, there's four. Here we go. Okay, Sir Jeff, it's your turn to turn. Nicer. Officer. Sir, remember what I said? Like a sea lion, hands on the floor.